Classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. First question, 13 upon 5. So you can use the division method over here. So 5, 2s are 10, 3, you take a decimal, you get 3. So 13 by 5 can be written as 2.6 in the decimal form. Since the decimal form come to an end, we can write this as terminating type. Second question, 2 upon 11. Same procedure, you can do that. It's 11. You start with 0, 2, point. 1's are 11, you get 9, you take 0, you get 8, 88, then you get 2 again, then you can take 1. So if you see, the number goes on repeating, so you get 20 again back over here. So you can stop over here at 0.1818. So by the quotient you can see the numbers are recurring. So you can show this as by putting a bar on it. Since the decimal form is in a recurring type, so it's a non-terminating type. Question 29 upon 16. You can divide this part 29 upon 16. So 16 ones are 16. You get 1 and 3. You take a decimal, you get 30. Then you can take 8s up. So you get 8 and you get 128 and you get 2 over here. Take 0, you take 1s up again, you get 60 and you get 40. So 2s are 32, you get 8, then 5s is 80. So the decimal form of 29 upon 16 can be written as 18125. So if you see the decimal form come to an end, therefore this is a terminating type. Fourth question, 17 upon 125. So you can write this as 17 and 125. So when you divide this, you start with 0. You take a decimal. So 1s are 125 and you get 450. This can be 3s are, get 5, 7 and 3. You get 3, 15, 9, that is 5 and 7, 0. So 750 goes in 6s, so 6, 750 is equal to 0. So you can write 17 upon 125 as 1.36. So the decimal form come to an end, therefore it is a terminating type. Fifth question, 11 upon 6. So you start with 1s are 6, you get 5, a decimal, you can write it directly 0 over here, won't take the 0 part. And this is 7, the 6 are 8s are 48, you get 2 over here, 0, 3s are 80, you get 2 back, you get 3 over here again, so you get 2 over here. Therefore, we can write 11 upon 6 as 1.833. Now in this case, the number 3 after the decimal is getting recurring again. So we can write this as 1.83 and as a dot over here. Therefore, the number is recurring, the decimal form cannot come to an end, therefore it's a non-terminating type. Fourth question, 17 upon 125. Do by the division method. 0, 170, you get decimal. So you can take 1s out, 125, you get 45, 0. Then you as 75 when you subtract this. So 750 goes in 6, 750. So 17 upon 125 can be written as 0.136. Therefore, the decimal form come to an end at 6. Therefore, it's a terminating type. Question 2. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. First question, 127 upon 200. You can use the same method as a division to write in a decimal form, or there's another way to solve this. You can solve it in a simple manner. I can write this 200 into 2 into 100. Now, I'll write this separately. 127 upon 2 into 1 upon 100. Now, divide 127 by 2. That is nothing but the half of 127. Let's see. 127 2, 6 are 12, 7 3s are 6. You get 1.5. So you get 63.5 into 1 upon 100, which is nothing but 63.5 upon 100. Now we just shift the decimal because it is divided by 100. So 2 decimal shift, that is 1 and 2. So that you get 0.63. You get 0.635. So 127 upon 200 can be written as 0.635. Second question, 25 upon 99. You use the division method. I'll start from 0. You get decimal, and you can take 2s, you get 198 upon, subtract this, you get 5 252. You get 5s, you get 5 495. When you subtract this, so you get 2 and 5. So you get 250 back. So that means the number will go on repeating 25 and 25. So this can be written as 0.2525. Now to show that as a recurring type, so you can put a bar after the decimal above the number. So 25 upon 99 can be written as 0.25. Third question, 23 by 7. Same method, division. We'll start with 3, 21, you get 2, take a decimal. Then you can take 2s, 14, you get 6, 0, take 8s, 54, get 56, then you take 4s, you take 5s, 35, 50, 7s, 49, then you take 1s, you get 0, 1s, you get 7, then you get 3, then you get 4s, 28, about 20. Now if you see the number is getting repeated, so that means the whole number after the decimal, that is 285714, will get repeated again. So therefore you can write 38285 714 and put a bar above the numbers. So 23 by 7 can be written as 3.285714 and a bar above the decimal. Question 4, 4 by 5. Start with 0, 4 decimal, 8s as 40. So your 4 by 5 can be written as 0.8. Fifth question, 17 upon 8. Let's do it by the division method. So it's 17. So you can take 2s are 16, 1s are, decimal, get 1s are 8, 2s are again, get 2s are 16, and 4s are, that is 5, 40. So 17 upon 8 can be written as 2.125. Third question, write the following rational numbers in P upon Q form. First question over here, 0.6, and it is denoted by a dot. So, let x is equal to 0.6. अब यहाँ पे हम एक नॉर्मल रिकरिंग फॉर्म में लिखिए, दैट इज 6. यहाँ पे 6 जो है उसके ऊपर दिस डॉट इज प्रेजेंट, so the 6 is recurring again and again. So this becomes your equation number 1. Now we'll multiply and divide by 10, that is 0.666 multiply by 10 and divide by 10, which you get as 6 points. So ये जो decimal है आगे की तरफ, so ये जो decimal है आगे की तरफ shift हो जाएगा. So it will be 6.66 upon 10. Now you shift this 10 on the left hand side, that is what you get as 6, that is x is equal to 6.6 upon 10. So you just write one decimal after the, so you just write one decimal, so 6.6 upon 10. So you shift this 10 on the left hand side, so you get 10x is equal to 6.6. This becomes your equation number 2. Now you subtract equation 2 by 1. So you get 10x minus, so you get 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 minus 0.6. Just make sure that you write only one decimal so that it becomes easier to subtract. 10x minus x will give you 9x. 6.6 minus 0.6 will give you 6. So you shift this 9 on the right hand side, you get 6 upon 9. You can also cancel it off, you get 3 2s are 3 3s are, so 2 upon 3. So therefore, you converted a decimal form into a rational form. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon 3, which in the last you can write it as 0.6 is equal to 2 by 3. Second question, 0.37. So here, decimal के बाद दो integer recurring हो रहा है. So we'll write it as 0.37, 37, 37 and continue. Let this be your equation 1. Now there are two numbers which are getting recurring. So you're going to divide by 100. Like in the previous question, it was only one number, right? So we divided and multiplied by 10. Over here there are two numbers, so we're going to multiply and divide by 100. So 0.37 upon, that is into 100 upon 100. So when you multiply, so the decimal will shift on the right hand side. So you get 37.37 upon 100. Now you take this 100 towards the x, so you get 100x is equal to 37.37, and let this be equation number 2. Now next step is subtracting equation 2 with 1. So you get 100x minus x is equal to 37.37 minus 0.37. So over here you get 99x, and in this you get 37. So you get x is equal to 37 upon 99. So you can write therefore 0.37, which is recurring, and written as 37 upon 99. Third question, 3.17. So after the decimal, there are two numbers which are recurring. So write this as equation 1. So there are two numbers, so we're going to multiply and divide by 100. So you get 3, the decimal will get shifted in the right side. So you get 317.70 upon 100. Now you're going to shift this 100 towards the x, so you get 100x is equal to 317 upon 100. Sorry. So let this be equation 2. Now you subtract the second equation with 1, so you get 100x minus x is equal to 317.17 minus 3.17, which is, when you subtract, you get 314, and over here as 99x. Therefore, x is equal to 314 upon 99, which is therefore, we can write the decimal form as, that is in the fraction form, 314 upon 99. Fourth question, 15.89. So there are two numbers which is getting reoccurring after the decimal. Let this be equation 1. So you're going to multiply and divide by 100. You get as 15.89 upon 100. You shift the 100 towards the x, so you get therefore 100x is equal to 1589.89. Let this be equation 2. So you subtract the equation 2 and 1, you get 100x minus x is equal to 1589.89 minus 15.89, which is you get as 15.79 4, I think so. Yeah, 1574. You get 99x. So x is equal to 1574 upon 99. So therefore 1587 can be written as 1574 upon 99. Fifth question, 2.514. So there are three numbers which are getting reoccurring after the decimal. So you get 2514, 514. Let this be equation 1. Now, there are the three numbers. So you're going to multiply and divide by 1000. So here it will shift 3 times. So you'll get 2514.514 upon 1000. You shift this 1000 on the left hand side, that is x. So you get 1000x is equal to 2514.514. Now you let this be equation 2. Now you subtract the second and the first equation. So you get 1000x minus x is equal to 2514.514 minus 2.514. So you get 2512, and over here you get 99x. So x is equal to 2512 upon 99. So therefore, your 2514 is equal to 2512 upon 999. So that's it for this part. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.